This was at Hot Topic, roughly 24 to 26 bucks. 3 packs of Pokémon cards, 2 stickers, Beware, I think, and this might be Meganium, I think. I don't really remember, but yeah. Surging Sparks. 2 Surging Sparks. I don't know if these are any rare or not. Then Journey Together. I mean, at least we can find these cards at least in these shapes, ways, or forms. Because otherwise it'd be hard to get. At least over here where we live at. It's hard. Many people live here, so finding any of these cards is that's sort of a big deal. Dino from Black and White. Little, don't remember. I'm not really used to Pokemon that is from the 30th era and newer. Also from Black and White, Blitzel. Almost like a zebra thing, electric. Don't really know why this one's only 40 and this one is 70. And this one's 70. Okay, it could be due to the typing. Because they're all basic Pokemon. For now. But then again, I'm not really the card maker. If I could tell what that was, I might think it's cool or not. I don't know, but it looks like fire all around. Looks more actiony than all the others. Open mouse, a bit weird. I mean, if anything, the whole name reminds me of Totodile. I don't know where this is from. What generation. But it looks really weird. If this was like an older Pokemon card, I think this may have been worth something. Because a legendary Pokemon, usually they're something you want. Usually. This is from Generation 4. I think this one was the space Pokemon. I think. Ghost Culture Energy at the end. Oh, and if you can't tell, any cards in these Pokeballs, they sort of get bent. You can see it sort of at the top here, it's sort of slightly bent. I can't tell if you're getting a reflection or not, but it's sort of bent at the top. I mean, I don't know what you really expect from me about these Pokemon cards to talk about them or anything, but I mean, not much to say, I guess. Like, if you expect me to say something like, oh, I played with that Pokemon in my Pokemon game, I don't really own much on the newer ones, or used many, because once you have your team, and you don't really switch it out all that much. Huh. Mangine. Bronzong. Alright, that's... I always find this one a bit hard to level up. Like, either it's too weak, or it's just like, not good enough. Sandygast was... where was this from? Alola? Maybe? I could never really find it. Drillbur, Passimian. Never liked the Passimian, because I think it's like fully evolved anyway. It doesn't do stage 1 or stage 2, I think. So it sort of seems like a one and done, like a gimmick thing. If this was lighter color on the bottom part to show like the ocean, maybe, might have been intrigued of this card, but no, it's a bit too dark. It looks a bit like a sage, like a elderly person, like a weird cloak, and then like a leaf there. Don't know why, but it's like one of those weird monkeys. Speaking of monkey, yeah, one of the weird ones that are not really liked in Pokemon Black and White, the Simisear or any other monkeys, for the first gym, trading. Not beloved. Coffin. Or Coffagugus. I don't know where it's from, but it looks cool. The first two were Searching Sparks. This one is Journey Together. Is that the first one we've had, like characters Pokemon? Huh. Guess I really haven't noticed, but there's a guy there. Isn't this also considered a bit rare in the Pokemon game of number 5? Or late to get. I think it was almost like a Magikarp ripoff. Because you have to do like a reboot on the number 5. Or Pokemon Black. It seems a bit weak for now. Oh look, a drawing. basically different from all the rest. Just like sketch, basically. Neat. If I ever had a Pokemon EX, I may use this. If I ever had one. Probably not likely. Because those are rare to get. Open what, like 5 packs. Have not gone one, I think. So rare. If I go against any of them. If I could tell what's over here, but I don't know. I mean, it seems almost fine, I guess. Maybe a bit too stylized. I was just gonna say, hey, it's possessed. There's an outline here. It's like possessed doll or whatever. What I mean, maybe they could have done it a bit differently. Maybe the eyes should have glowed a bit more. Maybe a lot more yellowish. Like glowing in the dark. This doesn't seem enough. I have not seen Pangoro much, so I can't even tell what it's even doing right now. I know, I cannot tell what it's supposed to be. I know it's supposed to be like a bear, like a big bear or something. Just can't tell where the head is. There's a bit too much of busy artwork, I guess. As opposed to Grimmsnarl, which I can tell easily what it is. It's like a weird goblin, I guess. It's at least evolution of Larvesta, I think, into Volcarona. I mean, from one to the next, different artwork change. Really strange, actually, but I like this one a bit more better. Okay, haven't I seen this one before? I swear this is a common artwork for Realm Raid. Could have sworn it was a long time ago. Huh. Is this supposed to be a special card?
EX.
Yes, but the specific, because usually EXs have like all the other formats of cards that they have a border at the bottom before they reach the abilities. It has no border. The artwork goes from top to bottom. Is this real?
Inside the Pokemon pack.
It was inside. Hopefully? Okay. Did I stumble upon like a rare card that's like better than most? Than just a regular EX? Because I don't think any EX is supposed to be full art, the entire card.
Let us know in the comments.
Yeah, let us know. This is strange.
For you.
For me.
For us.
Yes, because it's like the entire thing, right? Like, you
Yes.
can see, yeah.
The whole card.
Like, is this supposed to be fire everywhere or what? Can you tell?
Yes, but it shows green to me. Highlights.
Is this supposed to be what's called a golden card? No. It's but it's red over here. I don't really know what this is. Okay, I guess I'll have to see about this later, I guess. Yeah, okay. I guess that's all, I guess? I mean, yeah. It's all these cards, I guess, and this one here. I mean, it feels like texture, like I guess like pants, I guess? Like how the ridges are pants, and this one has like a texture to it. Like you could scratch it and make a noise.
But you're not gonna do that. You just feel.
But nah, I'm not gonna scratch it. If I was one of those people that puts cards in like a glass case, this might be one of them. If this was anything specific.
But you still keep it in that. We'll get a Ziploc bag easier just for that simple card. To get a good one.
Maybe, yeah.
Protection.
What do you think? Dragon's Shield or what?
I don't know what that
It's a card sleeve type. Usually a premium one.
is. Yeah, as long as it doesn't stick to
anything like dust.
anything. It's not fitting tight. Let us know exactly what kind of sleeves should we place this special card in.
Hold on, is there like a symbol like right there? But like this one's
That's
like
a black dot to me.
yeah, but then over here, it's like a 2-star.
But 2-star.
Isn't the maximum like 3 stars? This is like 2 stars. So, huh? You're gonna have to search it up, I guess. Oh no. Okay. Right here. Right there and right there. A bit of a weird marking, I guess. Does it show right there? Here and here?
What?
Like a weird marking right there. Right here and here. Does it show?
I don't know what. I guess viewers can see.
Because it looks like there's like an air bubble or two. I don't know.
Alright. 20 minutes.
Hmm? Well, this is Trio Travelers. Signing off. Have a good day.
See you in the next video.